All right, everybody, we are live. We're live. We're live. We're live. Here we go. We're going to start with the 2012. This is our final bad beat mixer. This is awesome. Then you guys are going to have to give me some time to do all the sorting, and then I will run the freebie. Thank each and every one of you, whether you bought one spot or 50 spots in all these breaks. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support. All sealed up. How are we making out with that cheese I asked for?
Sorry, we're getting you some shrimp. Hold on. Some shrimp.
Here we go, guys. Good luck. Good luck. For the Oakland A's, Jameel Week. Oh, wow. The next one is nice. The next one is really nice. I'm pumped. Jameel Weeks. Number to 149. 38 out of 149. Jameel Weeks for the Oakland A's. Who's got Oakland? Mikey Plugs. And for the... He's going to be sick. His own fault. Thank you. His own fault. They tagged him. They tagged him too. Ready for this? Hold the phone a minute here. Don't shove that in. I'm eating right now. Leave it right here. Yo, you guys see me or what? Hello? Are you guys going to answer? Jolton Joe. Who's got the Spankies? Lamblin. He's not even in the room. Pinstripe. 2 pinstripes. Seven of 25.
Don't forget your cut bacon in here when you leave.
My cut bacon. Talking about bacon?
Mm-hmm.
I have bacon in there?
No, Jen.
Jolton Joe. Nice hit, Lamblin. Where you guys want to go next? You tell me. Oh my God. Put it down. You can't. I want to savor the flavor here. What do you guys want next? NT. Plugs, you want to go right to it? I'll go right to it. Plugs wants to go right to it. Screw it.
No.
Yeah. Come on. You're not wearing your doctor's level.
That's a good question.
Remember that?
I do remember that.
You could wear gloves.
I know. Yeah.
Clean the cards and put them in the set to get rid of it.
Even online, the other day was just wearing that.
Was it?
I mean, like when you did that stuff.
Thick joint.
I'm trying to.
I had a really weird feeling about this pack. I wanted to open it for myself, and I'm not kidding. Two Thumbs asked why I wanted to open it, and I told her I think there's a monster in here. And she screamed at me and told me I should share it with you guys. Don't be like that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not even going to look at the bottom one. I don't want to see it. Oh my God. Wow. Wow.
Where's the bottom one?
I'm not looking at it. I don't want to know. For Mikey Pliggity Plizzugs. Look at that gross, disgusting, sick patch. I'll take some cheese, please. No fruit. I'd like just a nice little piece of cheese. Yo, Plugs. 4 out of 10, baby. Robbie Cano. 1 second. Let me get some. I know. Man, 4 out of 10. It's a logo patch. I know. Thank you, buddy. At least you'll take care of me.
Yeah, man.
We know these two.
Gotta look out for each other.
These two will leave me in the street. What are you doing?
Here, beta. Don't touch anything, man.
No, I'm not letting the kid throw it. I'm not tossing it. You're sick. There's seriously something wrong with you. That's an awesome card, Plug. I mean, how much nicer of a patch can you get?
Actually, don't.
Seriously, how much nicer of a patch can you get? Who do you want, Plugs? Who do you want?
Did you take one lately?
Who do you want? Because you don't want logo patches? No, I need one. You don't want anything. Hey, Roy, for the Yankees again. J Lamb. J Lamb. 6 of 99.
No, the root canal. The water. I brought it in.
Right here, to the front door.
Wow, how about this one?
Where's the onion?
Right here.
Doesn't even matter. Whoever wants to argue about what team it goes to Plugs no matter what. Jimmy Fox, 17 out of 99 bat.
Yeah, I didn't give one to John.
17 out of 99. Nice card, Plugs. Thank you. 17 out of 99. I will take it right now.
Mine? Mine?
Line.
Yeah. No, I thought. Oh, the skin is really good.
On what?
Wow.
Which one? That one? Which one is this?
So 20 minutes. Chopping up from one night.
Ah,
Yeah, words right here. I gotta make some work here. Yeah.
for the San Diego Padres. Nice patch, auto. Corey Spangenberg, 46 out of 99. 46 out of 99 for Mikey Plugs. Mikey Plugs. Nice patch.
It's not the right spot, at least it has the right spot.
Right here?
For the New York Mets, Coach John. Congratulations, Coach. Steve Matz, Relic Auto. 93 out of 99, Steve Matz. Relic Auto, 93 out of 99. Nice card, man. Very nice. Let's see. Tom Burrows for the Boston Red Sox. Nice hit, Tommy. Nice hit, Tommy. Rusney Castillo, St. Pat. Oh, my God. Are you fucking kidding me with... Sorry. Are you kidding me with this number? God, we hit a monster, man. I can't believe this number. I'm going to vomit. I'm going to vomit. Rusney Castillo over here, Tommy. 14 out of 15. St. Patty's Day patch. Oh, God, I'm going to get sick with this next card. I'm really sick. I'm really wound up. Nice card here, Tommy. I'm sick and disgusted with this. This has me aggravated. I got to show you this card. We got to cut auto. Stan Musial. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? We got to cut auto at Stan Musial. Look at the number. 99. Are you out of your mind right now? This card's numbered to 99 in a $450 box. Number to 99. It should be a 101. Are you kidding me right now? Oh, my God. I know it's a great card, but still, come on. Stan the Man, cut auto. Beautiful signature. Aaron Rodgers. Congratulations, buddy. Yeah, number to 90. That's what I mean. Beautiful, beautiful signature.
So yeah, sometimes you find
Beautiful signature.
you put cards as well.
Beautiful signature.
All the time.
Congratulations, Aaron. Nice card, buddy. Nice card. For the Arizona Diamondbacks. Oh boy. The next one could be big. The next one could be really big. For the Arizona Diamondbacks, 6 out of 49, Yasmani Tomas. For Stephen Roach. Yasmani Tomas, nice card. Yo, this next one could be huge. If this card is signed, it's a cut auto, and it's huge. Because this dude ain't alive anymore. This dude is not alive anymore. This is Stephen Roach. Who gets the next one? I don't know. Brian Stuckenschneider. Brian Stuckenschneider. You ready for this? One time, baby. Kirby Puckett. Can this thing be signed? Can this thing be signed one time? One time. Do the right thing. God darn it. You're going to get nothing. We're through 2 products. What's the matter with you? Kieran, on the counter in there, there's a brown box. I need the... Jess, give Kieran a magnetic booklet, please. I like the pinstripes, too. Very nice. Right at the edge there in that brown box. Jess, it's right at the edge of the counter in the brown box. There's a brown box right on the edge of the counter. Unless you moved it. Nice. Man, that would have been incredible if that was autographed. Still a nice card, though. Really nice to get a card of a guy like this. Although he broke my heart when the Twins beat the Braves in the World Series. He did break my heart, him and Jack Morris. For the Bo Sox, Tommy Bahama. Bryce Brents. Bryce Brents. Bryce Brents for Tommy Bahama. I need 180 point top loaders. I got 2 thumbs in here. She's trying to cook. The housemaid burned down. I can't wait to see this. All right, we got another nice one. Another Hall of Famer. Another Hall of Famer for Mikey Plizzity Plizzugs. The unit, baby. 6 out of a quarter. 6 out of a quarter. Yeah, DiMaggio hit. His stuff is really underpriced, Plugs. You're absolutely right. Plugs, you going to keep this card? That's all for the Yankees. Yeah, we just started.
Remember the cards when we were little, season's greetings in like
Thanks,
that
bro.
font, that Christmassy classic font, yeah. So we got a picture frame of that lights up, yeah. A snowman, just that 1950s snowman from Boscov's, yeah, 33.
Nice card, Plugs.
39
Right on the card. I love it.
And it lights up.
Scott, what's up, Scott? I tagged you in this break, buddy, but you didn't join the party this time. That's all right. We're not going anywhere.
Watching Carolina hit Arizona 17-0.
For the Washington Net. Oh, God. You two are sick. You two are really sick in there. The two of you. One doesn't even stop cutting while the other one's farting. For the Washington Nationals, Josh Barnard. I heard it. It's disgusting. Josh Barnard.
Nobody farted.
Yeah, right. Josh Barnard.
Probably yourself.
Nice hit, Josh. Nice hit.
Cheese and stuff.
Josh, is that you, JRB? For the Cubbies. Not the name you wanted, but still, it's a nice card. Javier Baez, number to 10. Javier Baez, number to 10. Baez. For Farm Diggity Dizog. He was out picking strawberries earlier today. He told us, the farm dog. He was out picking. What are you laughing at? The guy was out. Lives in Florida. He was out picking strawberries.
Jen said, how do you pick strawberries in the freaking blizzard?
Guy lives in Florida. Leave him alone.
Like Hubble just knows. I'm like, he was Florida.
The two of them don't listen. You don't try to repeat it or explain to them. They don't listen. They don't listen when they're alone. When they're together, forget it.
There's got to be a better way to cut garlic.
Cut garlic. You don't know how to cut garlic?
I mean, I've been here for 3.
You're kidding me. Don't get my blood pressure up. I'm already aggravated that I'm not gnawing on that cheese. I would stick the whole block in my mouth if it were up to me. Jess, will you get her the chopping knife, please?
I got it.
You think I was letting her chop with a butter knife?
Who knows what you're letting her chop with? She may have been trying to chop with a. Who knows?
A Pokemon chopper.
It's exactly. Do you like Pokemon?
No, a porcupine
Oh,
instead.
yeah, you're right. Chipper Jones, number to 250. Chipper Jones, number to 250 for the Bravos. Posey to 354. Posey to 354.
Miami tournament.
Base cards. Kemp and Addison Russell. Jonathan Lucroy. And the Cubs hit again, just the wrong player, Dexter Fowler. 89 out of 99. Dexter Fowler. 89 out of 99. Dexter Fowler. For the Farm Diggity Dizog. For the Dodgers, Adrian Gonzalez. 1 of 36. 1 of 36. Eric Carver. Eric Carver.
This block of cheese is awesome.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
But you're cut off today to 6.
It was 6, but you were out screwing around and everything else.
Oh, we were throwing around.
Joey Bats, numbered to 250.
Whoa,
Joey Bats.
we'll take it.
Won't take it.
The Wizard, numbered to 354. The bat flip. Joey Bat flip.
Bat flip.
Have loose Joey Bats.
Going to the bat from the Blue
Where's
Jays.
he from?
Toronto Blue Jays.
Right.
Johnny Cueto. Lou Gehrig. You gotta love Ozzy. I love the flip. Jay Hay. Another nice one for the Mets. Jacob DeGrom, 99 out of 99. eBay 101. Jacob DeGrom, nice card. Very nice card. John Robert Ryan. And this guy, if one of the lunatics that frequents these breaks had the Cardinals, I would bend this thing right in half. Sam Tuivala, whatever his name is, Tuivalala. I would bend this card right in half. I would bend it right in half. How is this guy in triple threads? Sam Tuivalala. Are you out of your mind? Aaron Rodgers.
No, yeah.
I brought everything in.
Did you put it in your bag?
No, it's in here somewhere.
No,
I brought it in.
but you know what?
I put stuff here.
Oh, we got it? No, that's the stewing meat, right here.
You're kidding me, Z. You've hit zero? Literally? Zero? You're kidding me, right, Z?
What's in the other one or what?
I'm sorry, on the floor, huh?
Or you're not going to put it in there? Another? I want to sear and bake. Pretty quick, right? I'll be ready.
No, probably.
Oh, shut it. Okay, here's the recipe for the big fish. 2 tablespoons of butter.
Big Mac, numbered to 1 1/4. Big Mac, numbered to 1 1/4. Mark McGuire, do you remember him? Teddy Ball Game, numbered to 354. Teddy Ball Game. Cole Hamels. Big Roy, yeah, right. Harper.
Roughly 3 or 4 minutes.
I have no idea what that guy's talking about. I have no idea what this guy's talking about. Bryce Harper. Chris Archer. For the Detroit Tigers, Stephen Moya, numbered to 75. Stephen Moya, numbered to 75. Mikey plugs. Anybody take the dog out for a walk?
Yeah, I did.
Did you?
You need to be taken out for a walk. No, you showered.
Skunkosaurus over here. Just calm down. We got 12 more cards to go after triple threads. You still got a pack of triple threads. Toss it in my box. Z, what do you think? You're funny? 6 out of 9. Hunter Pence for the Giants. Nice card. Mimi Man. Oh my God. He's the Mimi Man. Sam Clams Disco for Alfie Butts. Alfie Butts. Nice card, Alfie.
You don't compost, do you? Huh? You compost? What? You compost. Compost, what's that? Like, you have to throw your vegetables to it?
It's great and that's okay. Okay.
Right inside? Yeah. Garbage disposal? Yeah.
David Winfield for the Padres, numbered to 99. David Winfield for the Padres, numbered to 99. Cub, tell everybody who your favorite team is. Baseball.
Blue Jays.
Tell them.
Blue Jays.
Who's your favorite player?
Huh?
Joey Bats.
Joey Bats.
David Price, numbered to 250. Tell them what your favorite sport is.
What happened to
You know what your favorite sport is?
It's okay to say
Soccer.
That's okay.
What
Why?
happened to the Phillies? Huh? Group down your list?
David Price, numbered to 250.
He got sold, you know that, yeah?
David Price, the Joe DiMaggio Came out of 2012 Prime Cuts.
Mhm.
Warren Spahn. Daniel Murphy. Jackie Robinson.
Yep.
And the Red Sox just continue to rake. Number 12 of 75, Matt Barnes. The Red Sox just continue to rake in every break that I do. They rake in every break that I do. It's unbelievable. For the Brew Crew, Ryan Braun, 20 out of 27. The Brew Crew, 20 out of 27. Mikey Plugs. All right, here we go, Immaculate. Come on, man. One time. One time for the kid. One time for the kid.
Okay, I'm just checking in. Everything's all right? Okay, what's that? Oh, we're about to eat now. Did you take
Oh, my God. Guys, don't go anywhere. I think we just hit a monster.
No,
You see this?
Did you take 5 and evening?
I think we hit a monster, guys.
Okay, all right, good.
Wow.
Oh, okay, don't worry.
Justin Upton, number to 99. Justin Upton, number to 99.
Okay.
Wow.
Everything's okay. Baby's good. She's sleeping.
40 LA Angels. Look at this patch. Freddie Lynn. Hello. Good God Almighty. That is a nice card.
Okay, love you. Okay, bye.
That is awesome.
Sorry. Stop it.
Freddie Lynn. We're going to have a random here. Abreu, Puig, and Castillo. White Sox, Dodgers, Red Sox. Triple relic number to 49. Triple relic number to 49. Griffey. 89 out of 99. That should be a 1 of 1, right? Because that was his rookie year. 89. It's yours, Plugs, you sicko. I will do it when I get time. I was supposed to be done work at 6 o'clock today. It's 8 o'clock. I will do it. Don't worry. I'm not going anywhere. I promise. $250 points that will random. And for the Cubbies, Farm Diggity Dizog, Jorge Soler Button, 3 out of 3. Ho!
Watch your volume, John. Remember last week you woke her up?
I don't even know what to put this sucker in.
Make a new file.
No, I mean,
Plastic doesn't fit.
nice card. The Farm Diggity Dizzle. Look at this. He wants me to put it in a pizza pouch. Steve Hanchel. You're sick, Steve. Thank God you live in Wisconsin. Thank God you live in the middle of the state. So you can't show up at my front door one day. Thank God. That's all I would need. That's all I would need.
Medium, start say olive oil over the medium high heat, melt butter, and then add salt. And I know
Dustin Pedroia, 92 out of 99. Dustin Pedroia, a.k.a. Petey Pablo. Wow, next one's nice. Josh Donaldson, 95 out of 99. Yo, Coach John, if I hear you cry or complain anymore about not getting nothing in these breaks, we got beef, man. We got major beef. This is sick. Gary Carter, 1 out of 3. Rawlings logo. Boom. Boom. That is awesome. That is sick. That is sick. You got to see these two trying to boil pasta.
John. I know how to cook.
Gary Carter, that is awesome.
Yeah, it's gonna blow. Is that right? Yeah.
Corey Spangenberg for the Padres, 66 out of 99. 66 out of 99.
Are the kids gonna have some pasta? They like ravioli? Yeah.
And he hits again. Coach John is just on fire. Matt Harvey relic with a pinstripe, 20 out of 49. 20 out of 49. Matt Harvey. This is the first autograph I have seen of this guy. Well, that I have pulled, not that I have seen. Out of a lot of immaculate cases. Dalier Hinojosa for Boston. For Tommy. 13 out of 49.
All right, what do you need? The rest of the rest.
It's been 2 minutes. There you go. We do now.
Add the chopped spinach and warm through. Add salt and heavy cream.
How much heavy cream?
1/4 cup heavy cream.
For the Detroit Tigers, Mikey Plugs. Mikey Plugs. James McCann. 37 out of 49 Plugs.
Can you get her coloring box from the trunk?
Zebo says, film the cooking show in the kitchen.
What?
It's a joke, Jess. He's
I
joking.
didn't hear you though.
Film the cooking show in the kitchen.
Very funny. I really like this pen. Do you? Yeah, I love it.
All right, we got a sick one here. Nice way to end the break. For the New York Yankees,
How can we figure that out?
Louis Severino.
And don't tell us that we can't figure it out because we left it.
John, we need 1/4 heavy cream. We have 1/3. So how can
We
do
got
it?
a 1/4 in
I
there.
can't
But we
find it.
can't find it.
Okay, so go a little bit less than that.
A little bit less than this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Louis Severino. Davey Smalls is sick. No more hockey spots sold, Mark. We're still stuck on 11.
How much, 2 bunches.